Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about another power electronic device which is diode. The diode stands for diode for alternating current. Diode for alternating current. For alternating current. Di stands for diode and AC stands for alternating current. So diode means diode for alternating current. The diode is used in AC circuits. Diode is used in AC circuits along with triac, because the diode is used to trigger triac. So that's why the diode is used in AC circuits along with triac. Then we will see the symbol for diode. Symbol for diode. Normally the triac and diode symbols are similar, but in diode there is absence of gate terminal. Let's see this. This is MT1 and here MT2. It is also bidirectional device. Diode is also bidirectional device. That means when MT1 is positive with respect to MT2, it operates, and also when MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, it is also on. So that's why the diode is bidirectional device, as same as the triac. But in triac there is presence of gate terminal, but in diode there is absence of gate terminal. There is absence of gate terminal. This is about the symbol for diode. Let us see the structure of diode. Structure of diode. The structure of diode is here we are having the layers N1, P1, N2, P2 and N3. The N1, P1 layers are attached to the terminal MT1, whereas P2 and N3 are attached to the MT2 terminal. Based on the biasing, that means when MT1 is positive with respect to MT2 or MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, that is based on biasing, the terminal layers are activated. Let us see the two cases first. To understand this diode, we have to observe the cases. At first, case 1. When MT1 is positive, with respect to MT2, that is MT2 is negative. In this case, let us see the structure first. This is MT1. Here we are having MT2. In this case, here we will get this is positive, means N1 and P1 we will get here P1, because of MT1 is positive. Then the sequence is P1, N2, P2 and here we will get this is MT2 is negative, we will get N3. So in this case, this structure is similar to the SCR also in the forward conduction mode. In the forward conduction mode of SCR, we just having the gate terminal, but here we are not having any gate terminal. So that's why in this case the SCR in reverse forward blocking mode. This state is in forward blocking mode. So that's why here the current direction is like this, that is MT1 to MT2. This is the direction of current. At first, a small leakage current will be flow because of this N2 and P2 junctions. In this junction, here we are having forward bias because of MT1 is positive, here we are having P1, and here also forward bias, here we are having the reverse bias. In this case, whenever the P2 and N2 junctions breakdown will occur, then the current will be flow from MT1 to MT2. Before that, the small leakage current will be flowing. So then let us see the case 2. The case 2 is MT1 is negative whereas MT2 is positive. In this case, the structure will be like this. So here MT1 is negative, MT2 is positive, means here we will get N1. Next we will get the P1. Next N2, and here we will get the P2. So these are the terminals we will get. In this case, this junction is in forward bias, and here also forward bias, here we will get the reverse bias. In this case, the direction of the current will be opposite to this case 1 direction. Because of MT1 is negative with respect to the MT2, MT2 is positive. This is the direction of current. After breakdown of this P1 and N2 junction, the maximum current will be flow from MT2 to MT1, not from MT1 to MT2. So let us see the characteristics next. Let us see the characteristics. The characteristics of diac is, characteristics means voltage to current. Here we are having current. This is negative current, here we are having voltage. At first MT1 is positive here and MT2 is negative. At initial the current is very less because of the leakage current is flowing in the N2 and P2 because of this reverse bias. After breakdown, the current will be maximum like this. This is MT1 is positive with respect to MT2. After breakdown, it will happen like this. In the next case, MT1 is negative whereas MT2 is positive. In this case, same, but in the reverse direction, the current is very small. After breakdown, the current will be maximum. This is the characteristics of diac. Simple, the diac is bidirectional only. Here we are also having the operation, whereas in positive direction the current is in positive, but whereas in the second case the current is in reverse flowing, that is from MT2 to MT1, whereas in the case 1 the current is flowing from MT1 to MT2. This is the concept regarding diac. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand well. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you.